Hi guys, just got through shopping at Vala's one last time. I know I said I was not gonna go again, but I decided why not. I had to take something back anyway. One of the pants that I had that little security thing stuck on there, and I couldn't wrap that up for Christmas with the security tag still stuck on it, so I had to take it back, and they took it off. And I decided to, while I'm there, look around one more time. So I got this really cute pillow. It's really cute, and it says hubby on it. See? It's so pretty. That, and I got some more shorts like this. There's the black ones, the red ones, and I also got a long sleeve shirt. This is for Noah, another long sleeve shirt. This one's really pretty. It's by Cambridge. And I also got some more of these blue shorts and another blue shorts. The shorts were ringing up $1 each, so I just couldn't pass on that. And the shirt was, I think, $2. I mean, that is a good deal. And then I saw these are they pants? Yeah, they're pants. I thought I picked up shorts. Oh well. I swear I thought there were shorts when I got them. Oh well. These were ringing up only $1, even though it says $5.99. When she rang it up, she said, "Oh, the pants are $1." I said, "Heck yeah." So, and then I saw these cute little signs here. It's Happy New Year. They're really sparkly and they're pretty. I got 2 of them because it said like 70% off, and it said 99 cents in the back. And then when she rang it up, it was only 9 cents each. I was like, yes, that's awesome. Man, some good deals there. It really is. Literally all of these pants now. But yeah, these are so pretty, these pants. I seriously thought they were like dressy shorts, but I didn't turn it over and see that they were pants, but that's okay. These are really cute. All of that, I paid like 9 something for it all. So that was really awesome. And just making sure she put that bag back in. Oh, there it is. Yeah, these are the ones I had to take back because they had that security tag thing on it. It was somewhere on the pocket. You know, it's one of those things that they have. It's like a magnet or something like that. Well, it was somewhere here. Yeah, see that little spot? It was there, and it came out here on the back. So I had to go get that removed. And I couldn't find my receipt, so I was like, I swear to you, I lost the receipt. We did buy this. She's like, that's okay. She said her that metal detector thing was off, so they left it off now. Almost everything in the store is completely gone. I mean, they still have a bunch of stuff, but it's not nearly as much stuff as there was last time. There was a ton more last time, but now there's, mainly it's in the center and the side of the store. There's nothing in the back anymore. Everything's cleared out. They're selling everything, not just the clothes and all the stuff, but also like the racks and stuff. That's all being sold as well. And stuff that was on the walls, like all the racks on the walls and the clothing racks, all that stuff is being sold. Right now we're at H-E-B Plus. My dad is inside buying some things, and then after that we're going to go to Aldi's, and then I'm going to go back home. And my shoes got wet because I stepped in a puddle, and it's cold and it's still raining, but not as bad as it earlier. Earlier was raining extremely hard. But I love wet, rainy days like this, but I don't like stepping in wet puddles, then my shoes get all wet. Alright, so I'll see you guys at Aldi's. If I forget, then this will be the end of the video.